into Arlington, Guildford,
This train is for Portsmouth Harbour. The next station is Walthamstow.
Hello beautiful people, Sanibonani. Meet Kimi.
Hello, nice to meet you.
We are in Guildford, Surrey, and Kimi, I actually met Kimi yesterday at the train station. Very interesting. She's a fellow YouTuber, she's also a vlogger. I would love to tell you where she comes from, but Kimi, where do you come from? She doesn't know, guys.
It's complicated, but
she comes from everywhere.
Everywhere. Planet Earth, how about
that? Yeah. She is literally from planet Earth. So we are going to
the cathedral, Guildford Cathedral, which, fun fact, was actually the opening scene of the movie The Omen, which is a horror movie.
And who's going to be graduating there?
Me in about a month.
Okay, see you guys when we get there. We're going through the University of Surrey.
We should be sponsored by them.
We should be. They should give me a scholarship or just honor me with a PhD.
Yeah.
Okay guys, fun fact. Did you know that our former president Thabo Mbeki went to the University of Surrey? See? Read your books. This doesn't even do it any justice. It looks so much better in person. Beautiful view. Now you understand why I'm puffing and huffing and puffing, and
I mean,
my lungs are being put through a test.
This campus is called Stag Hill for a reason.
Stag Hill.
Yeah.
Because it's on a hill.
Although it should be called Stag Mountain. I hope this takes.
1 hour later.
Yeah, tell us about the hill, please.
Okay, you see the hill right there, this little green patch you can see at the skyline. If you're up there on a sunny day, you could actually see all the way to London from here, from Guildford. But today, unfortunately, it's a bit cloudy.
Today we have a proper British weather, so
yeah.
So is this where they do the star things?
Yeah, so actually the top lifts off completely, and then it's like a huge telescope, and you can go inside of this and have a look. But at the moment it's closed, it's only once a month. You can see all the Guildford here.
Beautiful. I wonder how many people they can fit in here.
Yeah, in here about 7 or 8. See, this is the tiny door they put there when they filmed The Omen. And after the movie was shot, they never took it down.
There.
Yeah, you can kind of see the wings.
Nice.
So this is like a little souvenir from the movie.
Oh,
we made it!
We made it. Free at last. It was a long walk to freedom. Long walk to the cathedral. Oh, it was far. But we made it!
It will be worth it once you see the inside.
Hey, we're finally here!
Guildford Cathedral. Let's have a look inside.
So people still come for mass, like on Sundays?
Yep. And you can always hear the bell ring as well.
And these are for the cushions for kneeling? It's breathtaking.
It's really different from the outside, isn't it?
I don't even think the camera is doing any justice to this.
Yeah, it's always hard to capture.
And it's beautiful and it's huge.
I was really surprised when I came here for the first time, just because of the contrast. You know, the outside looks a little bit old.
Oh, then yes. But
know,
when you come inside, it's totally
yes.
modern and
Very beautiful. You see that?
I would go to church every day if they all look like this.
Yeah. I believe if they still have it, there should be a room there where they display a video on how this was built.
Okay, nice.
I think it was somewhere around here.
So nice to know. Oh, so that's where the choir sits. Oh, in this room they show us the history of the cathedral and how it was built.
See, you can see here
The timeline.
when they first built it, the angel wasn't there. And they actually put the angel there to shoot the movie, the opening scene. But then they just never took it down. So actually it's a movie.
It's nice, it's a prop.
Yeah.
What year was the movie shot?
Oh, I don't know actually. I don't know about the movie.
So they started building the foundations in 1936. Nice.
And the Second World War stopped the building.
And in 1952, they got the permits to rebuild, to start building again. Then they did the Buy a Brick campaign. Wow, nice. And when you think it was so long ago, and then you look at the houses they're building these days, and where we're supposed to have.
Yeah. But that's the thing, like back then, the focus was more on the quality and the houses were meant to last longer.
Yeah, but now it's for money.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no quality in the houses these days. They start cracking within the first year.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
So the Queen has been here.
Yeah, the Queen
Nice.
she also has been to the university to open the veterinary course.
Oh, nice.
So she cut some rope at this university. But I wasn't here at that time. I did see her in London though.
You went to the palace.
No, I went to the birthday celebration.
Her birthday.
Yeah, but her official celebration is like a month later.
Were you invited or did you just?
No, you can just
sneak
go.
in?
No, it's just for tourists actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you can just go.
Yeah.
You don't need.
You just have to get there early so you can see.
Okay, otherwise it gets too full,
Yeah.
and so you must have been there super early.
Yeah, I think I
Are you allowed to take photos with her?
Yeah, you can. I can show you later.
Oh, nice.
I probably have maybe 2 or 3 on my phone from an actual camera.
I need to go next year. When is the birthday? When is the next
The
birthday?
actual birthday is in April, but the celebration is in June.
So it's gonna be. Has it passed?
Yeah, it was just now recently.
Oh, the one you went to was
Yeah.
the recent one.
Yeah.
And you didn't tell me. Why did you only meet me yesterday? I could have gone with you.
Yeah, you're right. I should have met you like last month.
I know.
I'm sorry.
See, you don't plan your life.
And these pictures, I think they're recently displayed here. 'Cause I haven't
They
noticed
look
them
very
before.
modern.
Yeah. But I think it's maybe a temporary.
Oh, they're selling them.
Oh, they are. Okay. I see.
£715. No, thank you. £550. No, thank you.
That is a little bit expensive.
So during your time at uni, did you ever come to attend mass here?
No, actually, I should have, but I did not.
And now it's too late. Well, it's not too late. You're still
But
here.
don't you think, like, when you live somewhere, you don't really travel around as much in the place where you live?
You don't appreciate what they have around you. You're always thinking of.
You always reach far and like go somewhere else, go abroad, and then have a look. But oh yeah, here, this room. It's a treasure room.
And these are all the churches under the Guildford Cathedral. They're all over. Let's see.
Not sure if I've been to any of the others. I must have, but
So many of them and so far.
Christchurch is quite a popular one, I guess.
Some of these places I've never even heard of.
Yeah, even I haven't heard of these.
Oh, nice. That's a nice table. That was definitely appropriated from Africa.
Yeah, it doesn't look British.
No, not at all.
Oh, there you go. Even more.
Even more. Wow. This is nice. Let's see how heavy. Yeah.
Oh, it's probably some guides.
First Bishop of Guildford. Oh, nice. Jerusalem stone. Oh, this is nice and full name, address. And, oh. So if you were going to have a wedding or a small ceremony, I would come here.
Yeah, this building right now it's cloudy. It still looks beautiful, but when the sunshine comes in through the windows, it's incredible. Everything just glows.
But it still looks just beautiful.
Yeah, even now.
Wonder how much it's worth.
More than this painting, and I can't afford this painting. So never mind.
Never mind the building. Oh, but the painting guide. Okay, this one. £690. I wouldn't buy it for 650 rands, let alone pounds.
I should hang up my art here and sell it.
Do you make art as well? Do you draw?
I paint occasionally, but I'm not really good.
They don't seem to be very good, but they're charging an exorbitant amount. So
Maybe I could try. But then again, they're also hanging here, so only because it has a price tag doesn't mean it's
doesn't mean people are going to pay that. Oh, thank you so much. That was such a nice experience.
Yeah, I'm glad you liked it, but the rain.
Oh, now we are back out and hello, English weather.
You can see the line here.
Oh well. You just get used to it.
Yeah.
We just call it a free shower. Should have just not bothered taking a shower in the morning.
Yeah.
Just bring shower gel and
Just do it in front of the cathedral.
yep. So beautiful, and the outside is just not doing it justice. It's still nice, but you would think it looks different.
Yeah.
Don't know how to explain it. Beautiful.
But again, it creates a nice effect because you will see the outside and you might think maybe it's okay inside, but then you go inside and you're like, wow.
It's something completely different. It's breathtaking. And to think how old it is, and it's such.
Yeah, and you can see like down on that side, there's also a little garden, and then on the opposite side, where we are now from the cathedral, you again have a nice view onto I don't know, some housing areas in Guildford.
And these cars, what are they doing here?
The cars.
Are these for people who work here,
Yeah,
or people
but-
who park and go to work elsewhere?
Probably most of them actually work here, but also I saw someone was taking the driving test here.
Oh, okay.
So they also take you around here. You have to park and things like that.
Okay.
But yeah, I guess most of these are workers. I don't know, like maybe, okay, it's possible that maybe some of the students would park here since the university is right here. And we don't actually have
And you get
student
to park
parking
for free for 2 hours.
Yeah. We can go this way as well.
Oh, we came that way.
We came
No,
from
we came
here.
this way.
We came from here, yeah, from campus.
Okay.
But I'm not too sure actually where we should go.
Oh, but that was nice. To think I never thought of coming here, because we're always thinking I'm gonna go to Paris. We never think a local small town like Guildford can have a cathedral that is so nice.
Yeah, actually Guildford is considered a city because it has the cathedral.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see the view again from here. The view there is quite beautiful.
Oh, nice. And this is in a prime like location. Is you can see everything. Nice garden.
And at night they also have lights here towards the cathedral, so you can always see it from everywhere. And that's the hill that I was talking about again. You can see. But on a day like this, it will be too muddy to go up there. But yeah, if you're standing at the top on the hill, you can see London. And it gives a really nice view onto the cathedral as well.